Okay, it's time to talk about the glycolysis pathway, but first we're going to have a quick overview of glycolysis. And as we know, glycolysis is the major catabolic pathway for glucose, and it is active in all cells in the human body. And it occurs in the cytoplasm, where glucose is converted to pyruvate. And this is an anaerobic reaction. And let's look at this this figure here. Glycolysis is an important contributor to the TCA cycle, and in glycolysis, glucose is broken down into pyruvate, and the pyruvate is then metabolized to acetyl-CoA. And in the mitochondria, the carbons of acetyl-CoA are oxidized to CO2 via the TCA cycle. And looking at this figure, you can notice that, for example, acetyl-CoA is also used to make ketone bodies, and that ketone bodies also contributes to making acetyl-CoA, and there are lots of different processes involved. We should remember that the TCA cycle is not a closed cycle, that there are many contributing factors, that acetyl-CoA is not only made by glucose, but we also have amino acids and fatty acids, and there are different ways that acetyl-CoA can be made. But we should know that CO2 is acetyl-CoA is oxidized to CO2 via the TCA cycle, and these are just the basic facts of glycolysis before we start to talk about it in detail.